Handling time-off requests without the back and forth can be a game changer for improving communication and efficiency in your workplace. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle time-off requests in a way that reduces unnecessary back and forth and keeps things running smoothly. Stay tuned until the end because I'll share a tool that makes this process even easier. And if you're interested, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software available only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss that. First off, the key to handling time-off requests without endless back and forth is to establish clear communication from the start. Start by setting up a simple, transparent time-off policy. Make sure your team knows exactly how much notice they need to give, the process for submitting requests, and the procedure for approval. If everyone knows the expectations up front, there's less room for confusion down the line. Next, consider using an automated system for tracking time off. This software, which I'll get into shortly, lets your team submit requests directly into a centralized system where you can quickly approve or deny them without all the back and forth. It can also send automatic reminders to employees about their remaining time off or upcoming requests, which saves you from chasing them down. This cuts down on questions like, "Did you approve my request?" or "How much time do I have left?" Speaking of automation, don't overlook the value of having an automatic approval process for certain types of time off. If you have employees who take time off on a regular basis, like for a medical appointment or vacation, automating the approval process for these can save you time and prevent unnecessary emails. Of course, you'll want to ensure that your automated system allows for exceptions in case something out of the ordinary happens, but for the most part, automation is a huge time saver. Another tip is to make sure you're consistent with your response times. Having a set window for approval, like within 48 hours of the request, lets employees know when to expect a decision, and it helps you stay on top of your own workflow. No one wants to wait around wondering if their time-off request has been approved. When you communicate when they can expect an answer, it takes the pressure off both sides. If you do have to deny a request, keep your communication clear and professional. It's better to decline a request with an explanation of the policy rather than leave someone wondering why it was rejected. A simple, "We've already hit our staffing limits for that day, but here are some other dates that work," will help keep things smooth. This avoids any miscommunication or feelings of frustration. Now, to make all of this easier, I recommend using the software we'll be using today. It helps automate time-off requests, track remaining balances, and even send alerts and reminders. Plus, it centralizes everything so you don't have to deal with multiple systems or paperwork. As I mentioned before, you can access an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. It's available to viewers of this channel, so be sure to grab it if you want to follow along. So, to quickly recap the main points: set clear expectations, use automation, establish response times, and keep communication professional. The key takeaway is that handling time-off requests without all the back and forth comes down to setting clear processes and using the right tools. By automating the process, you'll save time and avoid unnecessary communication. And don't forget, if you want to make handling time-off requests even easier, I recommend checking out the software linked in the description. It's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching.